Hey Disney fans, welcome to Disney A to Z. Today we got some breaking news. After a few months of speculation whether Monsters Inc. Land is going to be taking over the animation courtyard or the Muppets courtyard at Hollywood Studios, we now have an answer to that. Just a few short hours ago, Disney announced that Monsters Inc. Land will in fact be taking over Muppet Courtyard. What does this mean for Hollywood Studios? Well, number one, the biggest thing, it means that it will be the end of MuppetVision 3D. So that show will be closing to make way for Monsters Inc. Land. Other things that will be affected, Mama Melrose Ristorante Italiano and Pizza Rizzo will also be closing. We don't know what those will be changing into, but we do know that in fact Monsters Inc. is taking over Muppet Courtyard. Now, before you get too sad about Muppets going away, they did have some announcements for the Muppets. The Muppets will be moving across Hollywood Studios and they will be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster. So there's been speculation for a long time on this. Will Disney make a change and remove Aerosmith from Rock and Roller Coaster? We have answers to that now as well. Muppets will be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster, and they will be joined by some of Rock's biggest stars to bring you a whole new Rock and Roller Coaster. So let us know what you think. Do you like the changes that Disney's making in Hollywood Studios? Are you sad to see Muppet Vision 3D go? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in today. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think of these changes coming to Hollywood Studios. Thank you, and we'll see you real soon.